Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the program can't start because x input 1-3.dll is missing from your computer in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search for DirectX and user runtime. Click on the Microsoft site and scroll down, select the language and select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation. After getting installed done, select finish, and now you just need to open up new tab and check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the search bar and press enter. Click on the first site dllfiles.com. Now you just need to scroll down. You need to download the DLL file depending on how much bit you have. To find your bit, you just need to go to search menu and type system info. Comes up with system information, click on open it. In here you can able to see system type. My system type is 64-bit. After finding that, just close off here. Now you just need to download the file depending on how much bit you have. Just click on the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select a folder icon over here. Right click on the downloaded zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the DLL file and just copy it. After copying the file, you just need to go to C drive and Windows folder. In here you just need to find system32. Just double click on the system32 folder, and now you just need to right click on the blank area and select paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. After pasting the DLL file, just close off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.